Chief Meteorologist Tom Coomes here with this weather update, and I want to get you ready for the next couple of days because a storm threat returns to the area. A few scattered storms Tuesday, midday through the afternoon. This is a low severe threat, but it does mean more thunderstorms, and I wouldn't be surprised if one of those storms has a severe thunderstorm warning. But what I wanted to prepare you for is Wednesday afternoon and especially Wednesday evening with building storm, possible severe, and flood threat. Let's break it down with threat tracking. You'll see, by comparison, Tuesday afternoon, noon to 6 p.m., there's a chance of storms. And the major threats are possible. Just doesn't look to be a high threat scenario. Temperatures are fairly mild, humidity is fairly low, so the ingredients for storms, not the best. But things start to change a bit for Wednesday, and as we go from 2 in the afternoon to 10 p.m., that damaging wind threat returns, and also a heavy rain and flood threat. And that may actually be the greater risk here, as we've gotten a lot of rain over the past couple of weeks, and we're going to add to it another 1, 2, maybe even 3 inches of rain Wednesday evening. That's a real possibility. Watch Forecast Track as I take you through this hour by hour. Not really that eventful, but you see that threat window, afternoon Tuesday, a line of storms, and then possibly a second line of storms rolling through in the late afternoon and early evening. And that might be the slightly higher severe threat depending on how that round 1 plays out. And we see a near repeat of this come Wednesday, but just stronger and more intense. Look how this plays out as we go through the day on Wednesday. So Wednesday afternoon, a few scattered showers, nothing too eventful, but then notice how things really start to explode. We see a lot of red, we see a lot of orange on this map Wednesday evening around 8 o'clock. And this would be that threat window where, 1, there could be severe storms, but 2, that's a lot of intense rainfall, and we might end up picking up more of a flood threat into early Thursday morning. Stay with ABC 57 News for updates.